Okay, add vinegar over 3 liters of milk. Now my milk is already boiling right now, and this is 12 tablespoons of vinegar I'm adding. And just stir everything very well until the milk curdles completely. Now, after it has curdled very well, you're going to want to go ahead and turn off the heat. Now, put the milk over a bowl with a sieve and just pour the mixture very, very carefully because it is super hot. Now, this is a very great recipe that yields a lot, which we love. After you make this recipe, you're never going to want to buy cream cheese again. It's quick and it's a very economical recipe. You're going to want to make this at home. Now go ahead and just give it a really nice squeeze to remove any excess liquid from your milk. And just squeeze it really good to drain all of that liquid. This is also a very quick recipe, which is great. Now take all of this to a blender and just add it little by little so it doesn't all fall out. I'm telling you, this is such an amazing recipe. You are just going to be amazed by how it turns out. Now go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of margarine. And next you're just going to add just a small amount of salt. And go ahead and beat everything really, really well. Keep it going in there, but if you do notice that it's having a hard time getting it all blended in the blender, just add a small amount of milk until everything in the blender is super consistent. And at this point, you'll want to use a spoon to help you whisk and just spread those ingredients really, really well to make sure everything is able to become incorporated and get very well blended. And beat everything again in that blender. The goal is that it should become super creamy until it has the consistency of cream cheese. You want it very, very creamy. Now, after whipping it all, let's see how smooth it is. And look at that, it's a smooth, very firm mixture. Now add this amount of cream cheese in a bowl and see how beautiful and creamy it is. Arrange it well in your bowl and just refrigerate it until it's firm. And now our cream cheese is ready. This is a very quick recipe. Make it at home and save some time. Check it out. It is wonderful.